Hey there, this is Braden from McNaught, and today I'm going to show you a beautiful sports car that just came in on trade. It's our 2011 Mazda RX-8 R3. This vehicle has 42,508 kilometers and is in absolute pristine condition. It is powered by a 1.3 liter Rotary engine, producing 232 horsepower and 159 pound-feet of torque. The R3 package adds these beautiful 19-inch BBS aluminum forged rims, side skirts, the rear spoiler, as well as a couple features on the interior, which I'll talk about in just a second. The color on this vehicle is called Velocity Red Mica, and it really catches an eye. Now let's go on to the interior. Now before we go inside, we'll just look at the door panel for a second. We have our power windows, power locks, lockable front window, and our power mirrors. This vehicle is also equipped with Bose premium audio, which comes with that R3 pack. It also is equipped with these beautiful Recaro racing seats that really snug you into your seat. It is a 6-speed manual transmission, and you can see on the dash here it's got 42,508 kilometers. So we go to the side, we have our full radio controls. Down below we have climate controls, and down here we have an ashtray with a 12-volt outlet. You can see the 6-speed manual transmission. E-brake. If we continue going, we have some cup holders. In the glove box, we have a fair bit of space with our owner's manual. And up on the mirror, we have garage presets as well as an auto-dimming mirror. Let's take a look at the back seat. Before we go in the back, I forgot to mention, on the steering wheel, we have volume controls, our Bluetooth connection, as well as radio presets. And on the other side, we have our cruise controls. Now this vehicle may look like a coupe, but actually has two fully functional suicide doors on the back to give it easy access for the backseat passengers. This vehicle seats 4 people with a nice center console in between with storage, as well as a pass-through to the trunk with some storage inside the pass-through. This vehicle is also equipped with Bilstein shocks, which is also part of that R3 package, which give it a more firm ride, making the car seem more planted on the ground. It is also equipped with dual exhaust system, and in the trunk we have some nice space to fit some groceries. It's a beautiful car with a clean car proof and a perfect summer car. If you want to take a look at this vehicle, come on down to 1717 Waverly Street or call us at 786-3811 and we'll be glad to help.